Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at this YougetTech Evaporative Humidifier. Now, this is the unit right here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the features that it offers, as well as what you can expect when you get it. Now, the first thing I noticed about this unit is it's very easy to use. You can easily go ahead and open up the top hatches here by simply pushing down, and they will pop up, and you can go ahead and lift them off. From here, you can go ahead and fill up the unit with water, and I was very impressed at just how large this water tank is. They claim this tank is up to 3.9 gallons of water, which is a lot of water. And for your convenience, they've actually added handles on either side of the unit, so you can go ahead and easily lift this unit and move it wherever you need. Now, if we take a look here at this humidifier wick, you can see it is a really nice, very high quality and honeycomb designed wick, and I'm very impressed at just how nice and thick it is, how much water it absorbs, and how well it works. And not only that, but I was super surprised to learn that this is actually even machine washable, so you can keep it nice and clean. But one thing I wanted to mention is I really like the evaporative humidifier instead of a regular humidifier, simply because it's not spewing out mist that can damage a lot of different furniture pieces or just things around the house. For being an evaporative humidifier, they've done a really good job at constructing this unit right here, and I really think it's a very high quality product, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.